Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your air filter. I got me a K&N air filter. I actually got 12,000 miles on my bike now, so it's time for an air filter change. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first, you're going to have to take off the tank, and there's just 2 bolts. Yours are probably going to look different because I have a GPR stabilizer on mine. So let's go ahead and do that. Gonna need a 5mm Allen key. Alright, so I actually had to remove the whole GPR stabilizer. And you also have to remove the seat so that you can pick up your tank. So let's go ahead and do that. It's just gonna be 5mm on both sides. Alright, now once you have the tank up and it just sits up like this, you can go ahead and grab a, I believe it's a 10mm socket. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. My apologies, I meant 7mm socket. But you just pull this up and then there's your air filter. Mine is dirty as hell. It's a good thing I'm changing it. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So all you do is just push up, come right out. There we go. Wow, dirty as hell. All right, once you got the old one out, you can go ahead and put the new one on. And this one doesn't need any lubing because it already comes lubed. And just remember to line up the notches down here with the new air filter, and then you can go ahead and put everything down. And then you can go ahead and just rebolt everything back together. Alright, once you're happy with that, you can go ahead and put your seat back on, and then put the bolts back on, and you're done. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thank you for watching. Peace out.